Hi class, welcome to another tutorial on pandas. This is the lecture 5 of this series. In this we will see how do we read data from a CSV file in using pandas. So you already know how to read the CSV using the CSV module, and now we will see how do you read CSV using the pandas module. Right, so again let me just open the Explorer and I am opening this file purchases.csv. So you can see the purchases.csv has the same apples and oranges and the index being as Sachin, Saurabh, Dravid and Lakshman. Fine. Now let us see how do we read this CSV using the pandas module. It's really very simple. So you can see we had the import pandas as PD. So PD is the alias dot read underscore CSV. So pandas provides you with a very rich library for reading the CSV. The method name is read underscore CSV and you specify the file name. So in this case, the file name is purchases.csv and we are storing in the variable df attributed as data frame. You can use anything. And when I want to display the value of df, you can see here we have Sachin, Saurav, Dravid and Lakshman, apple and oranges, right? Just keep one thing in mind. If you can see here, this particular column did not have a text associated with it. Basically, it did not have any header, right? So you can see Python, the pandas automatically gives it unnamed colon 0. So basically this indicates that this particular header was absent. Now again, if you observe that in the previous case, we had actually made the index with Sachin, Saurabh, Dravid and Lakshman. But still, by default, pandas is adding again as 0, 1, 2, 3. Now why does pandas do that, right? Because we did not specify any index clause here. If we are not specifying the column we want as index, Python pandas will automatically add a index to these column or to this particular data frame, right? So basically it says also CSVs don't have indexes like our data frame. So all we need to do is just designate the index column, right? So how do we designate the index column? See, now the same command, I am again reading the same CSV file and I'm specifying that, okay, the index column is basically zeroth column. So which is our zeroth column? So this was our zero column, right? Beginning from zero. So this column I'm saying, okay, whatever CSV you're reading, make the column zero, which is nothing but this column as the index. So now when I execute this, so you can see here between these two screens, this had an index made by pandas itself 0, 1, 2, 3. But in this case, we have the index as Sachin, Saurabh, Dravid, and Lakshman. If you want to make any other index as this, you can make this like this, right? So for example, I'm saying index call is 1. So first column is apples. So you can see apple has now become the index and pandas automatically moves the index to the first column virtually, right? The file is still having apple as the second column. So let us now keep this as 0 only for time being. So you can see we have this our index which is identified in the bold, headers and the content, right? So that's it for this tutorial class. Have a good day.